Hello and welcome to this dance knowledge course on goal setting. We are going to be looking at goal setting in a dance specific environment. We're going to look at what it is, why you might want to do it, how you go about doing it, and different processes that you can use depending on the types of goals that you're looking at. Now, a goal is an objective or an aim. Something that you want to be able to achieve in your behavior, in the way that you do things. And it's also about a certain level of proficiency. It's about achieving a standard in what you want to do. And it's about achieving that in a set period of time. So there's three components that we can think about. One is that you've clearly defined what it is you want to do. The other is that it's about achieving a certain standard. So the achievement is related to you being proficient at something, and that this achievement is done within an allocated period of time. While this definition of goal setting is very simple, it's actually something that's really worth learning more about in your dancing and your performing. People have been researching goal setting now since the 1960s, and what we have continuously been finding is that goal setting can increase your productivity and your performance by between 11 and 25%. And this is really significant. And what's of interest here is that we can set different goals for different points in a dancer's practice, because a dancer spends a lot of time in class and a lot of time in rehearsal, as well as on stage and demonstrating their ability in front of an audience. We can see that goal setting increases motivation as well, and this is such an elusive quality that I know that a lot of teachers are wanting to inspire in their young students, is how can I get them more motivated, how can I get them doing more and being more focused. So all of this is something that certainly goal setting will help with. Research clearly shows that goal setting will enhance performance, and it is an important part of any performance activity, especially something like dance.